Step 1. Check if Facebook is down before trying any fixes. Check whether Facebook is experiencing a global outage. If the servers are down, the problem is on Meta's side and cannot be fixed from your device. Wait 15 to 30 minutes and try again. Avoid repeatedly logging in or reinstalling the app during an outage. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent Facebook from loading. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Test another app or website to verify your internet is working. Step 3. Force close Facebook. Restarting the app can resolve temporary glitches. Android 1. Open Settings. 2. Go to Apps, Facebook. 3. Tap Force Stop. 4. Reopen Facebook. iPhone 1. Open the app switcher. 2. Swipe Facebook away to close it. 3. Open the app again. Step 4. Restart your device. A simple restart can clear temporary system issues. Turn your phone completely off, wait 30 seconds, turn it back on, launch Facebook again. Step 5. Update Facebook. Running an outdated version of Facebook may cause crashes or performance issues. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Facebook. Install any available updates. Restart the app. Step 6. Clear Facebook cache. Android. Corrupted cache files can cause Facebook to freeze or crash. 1. Open Settings. 2. Go to Apps, Facebook. 3. Tap Storage. 4. Select Clear Cache. 5. Open Facebook again. Open quote, note, iPhone users can reinstall the app to clear cache data. Close quote. Step 7. Free up storage space. Low storage can affect Facebook's performance. Delete unnecessary files or apps. Keep at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free storage. Restart your device. Step 8. Disable VPN or proxy VPNs or proxy services may interfere with Facebook's connection. Turn off your VPN or proxy. Close the VPN app completely. Try opening Facebook again. Step 9. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can cause connection problems. Open date and time settings. Enable Set Automatically. Restart Facebook. Step 10. Reinstall Facebook. If the issue continues, reinstall the app. 1. Uninstall Facebook. 2. Restart your device. 3. Download the latest version from the App Store or Play Store. 4. Sign in again. Step 11. Wait for Facebook servers to recover. If none of the above steps work and many users are reporting the same issue, Facebook is likely experiencing a server outage. Wait for Meta to resolve the problem. Keep the app updated. Try again later.